Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that truly stands out in the world of laundry care. The Muchfun 3PC's durable honeycomb mesh laundry bags for delicates. This item has been labeled the best intimate laundry wash bag, and after exploring its features, it's easy to see why. These medium-sized bags, measuring 12 by 16 inches, are designed specifically to protect your delicate items during the washing and drying process. Whether it's your favorite lingerie, socks, or even workout gear, this laundry bag ensures that your clothes stay safe from wear and tear. Made from a heavy-duty honeycomb mesh, these bags allow for optimal airflow, which means your clothes get a thorough wash while being gently cradled inside. The breathable design not only helps with washing but also ensures even drying, making it a perfect addition to your laundry routine. One of the standout features of these bags is their premium anti-rust zipper. It comes equipped with an auto-lock mechanism and smart zipper protection, preventing any accidental openings during the wash or dry cycles. This innovative design not only enhances durability but also ensures a quieter laundry experience, allowing you to go about your day without the jarring noise of clanging metal zippers. With a load capacity of up to 20 pounds, these bags are incredibly versatile. They're not just limited to lingerie. You can also use them for yoga pants, jeans, jackets, and even shoes. The protective nature of these bags extends the life of your favorite items, making them a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to take better care of their clothing. Let's talk about convenience. The Muchfun laundry bags are lightweight and easy to store, making them an ideal travel companion for washing delicates on the go. Just toss your delicate items in, zip it up, and you're ready to wash. It's as simple as that. Not only do these bags serve a functional purpose, but they also come in a sleek white color that looks good in any laundry setup. Their design is not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing, ensuring your laundry area remains stylish. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to wash your delicates, the Muchfun durable honeycomb mesh laundry bags are definitely worth considering. With their robust construction, thoughtful design features, and capacity to protect your most cherished clothing items, they truly earn the title of the best intimate laundry wash bag. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews that help you make informed decisions. Until next time, happy laundry days.